guys, for today's video, magluluto ako ng white bait fish guys. So ito yung medyo malalaki guys, so i-deep-fry natin. At meron tayong half flour and half cornstarch guys, pinaghalo ko na. Then isang egg lang malalaki natin. So keep watching guys. So first guys, i-marinate ko muna ng salt and pepper. Then ihalo lang natin guys. So naman guys, ilalagay natin ng 1 egg. Then mix well lang natin guys para kumapit yung flour pag i-deep fry na. Guys, ihalo natin sa flour guys. Ayan, minix ko lang yung flour and cornstarch guys para crunchy guys. So ayan, saka natin i-deep fry guys. So mabilis lang ito guys. I-try nyo rin guys, sobrang sarap. Ito yung ating ulam for today guys, para sa nuts at saka driver at saka paborito ng mga kasama ko rin to guys. Ayan, kumapit yung mabuti guys at tanggalin na lang natin yan. So lipat lang natin sa plate ulit, saka natin i-deep fry. Spread natin sa plate. So ngayon naman, mag-heat lang tayo ng oil. So bago natin i-fry guys, painitin muna natin yung oil. Saka natin i-deep fry. So mabilis lang to guys. Pag nag-crunch ayan, lalagyan natin guys. At sabayin na natin para mabilis ang lalito. Ayan guys. Dito na guys. Dito yung golden brown. Mabilis lang ito na dito guys. Golden sauce na ito na dito.
One eternity later.
After a few minutes, nilipat lang natin sa plate, sa plate, kung nag-describe na. At gagawa tayo ng sauce guys, ketchup, mayonnaise na guys. Pagawin lang natin yun, and ready to serve na. Thanks for watching guys. Sa mga hindi pa nag-subscribe sa aming channel, please subscribe. Hit yung like the notification bell para maging updated sa aking mga new videos. And that's all for this vlog guys. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you and God bless you on my next vlog. Bye!